How do you define such beauty? How? Hmm? What a joy. They're having their evening leisure time. It's just drizzled, the grass is still green, soft, moist, and the birds are beautiful. What amazes me about these birds, you can see the turkey, they keep to themselves. The geese, they keep to themselves. And the ducks, they keep to themselves. I'm still studying why they love each other so much that they only gang up sometimes to fight a common enemy. This makes my evening just watching beauty defined. Thank you for watching Sabatia Poultry and Horticultural Farm. We are based in Vihiga County, Sabatia Division, Nabwani Village.